I will be demonstrating how to measure a dimension of rectangular shaped objects using ruler and tape measure. For this activity, I will need a ruler, a tape measure, and the objects to be measured: a textbook or a notebook, a package box, and a rectangular object at home, which is chessboard. First, I will measure the textbook or notebook. Using the ruler, I measure its length, width, and height. I record the measurements in centimeters. Then I repeat the same process using a tape measure for comparison. Next, I will measure the package box. Again, I start with the ruler for length, width, and height. Then repeat using the tape measure. Lastly, I measure another rectangular object at home. Using the same method, first with ruler, then with the tape measure. So, this concludes my demonstration for measuring the dimension of regular shaped objects using both a ruler and a tape measure. Thank you for watching.